Greetings from Lviv, Ukraine again. On behalf of Bethesda Evangelical Church Ministries, I want to thank you to all people in Denmark, also to the organization named 1040 Mission, and also to all the beneficiaries and sponsors and partners behind that organization. I want to thank you for sending us the third truck of food with flour, pasta and canned tomatoes and other stuff, which is going to be sent to Mykolaiv region and surrounded villages. The need is huge for food because our stores and supermarkets have been destroyed. Roads of communication, to bring supplies also have been destroyed, and a lot of people are having a huge lack of food, and they're starving. So the need is endless, and we are very, very grateful to all of you for sending us help, which is going to be transported to Mykolaiv region and spread out among all these villages and people who are hungry today in these places. So thank you so much, and God bless you.
Der er 5.000 fødevarepakker, og en fødevarepakke koster 50 kroner til en lille familie, der kan få 5 kilogram mad. Det er fantastisk, og det er godt, men der er mange tusind, hvis ikke millioner yderligere, der har brug for hjælp, og som overhovedet ikke får hjælp. Derfor ønsker vi at lave en fødevarekonvoj med lastbiler, som kører i pendulfart fra Danmark til Ukraine med fødevarer. Vi har netværket, vi har partneren, og vi kan få det helt ud i krigsområdet. Tak for enhver støtte. Støt os på MobilePay 137337, MobilePay 137337. Tak for enhver hjælp.